Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Sean Dex and I welcome you back to the Mango Grow for your daily Bitcoin USD analysis video. And man, has Bitcoin been generous recently? How often are we gonna get the same goddamn trade? We bought it over here, we bought it over here, we bought it over here, and each time Bitcoin has bounced and bounced and bounced. Yes, the bounces have not been as strong, but hey, free money is free money. I actually did take another long over here after shorting this area over here, longed over here, and I've already taken profits multiple times, and I've actually built a risk-free long position now. I'll be talking about that in today's video. I'll be talking about what targets I'll be looking for and where I'll be de-risking, etc, etc. So hey, with that being said, let's get on with it. I want to keep today's video short and sweet because hey, a lot of the action has been happening on the lower time frames, but there are some things on the higher time frames that I do want to talk about. So here we have Bitcoin on the 12-hour. We'll quickly pull on our Ichimoku, see what's going on there, and as you can see again this morning, Bitcoin coming and giving us that test of the 12-hour 200 MA. How often have we been buying it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one over here I actually didn't buy. I would have liked to have bought this one in hindsight, but hey, you miss some, right? And this actually was a really good move, but it actually has some implications as well, right? You're seeing over here how quickly the sell pressure came in. Usually you don't want to see this, but at the same time this can be very confusing, which is why I'm not looking for any trend positions just yet. That being said, I'm kinda going back on that, and I'm building a position now. It's completely risk-free, right? Because the amount of times I've taken the same goddamn trade and I start shorting this area too, what's happened is I've been able to build a longer term position. It's not too huge at all, but it's completely risk-free now. It's completely risk-free. So I'm willing to take that risk, because this might just be an accumulation move by the market movers before we start shooting on over to this area over here and perhaps break through this Kumo twist and test the higher end of this entire formation that we've been looking at for a while, right? So as you can see, Bitcoin bouncing again, and that entire notion of people say, hey, the more times you test it, the more likely we're going to break it. Well, you know what? At Mango, we are going to play support until it breaks, because support is going to remain support until proven otherwise, right? And so far, man, it's been very generous, and I'm going to keep taking this trade, right? I don't know how long it's going to take to bounce even higher, or if it's going to break towards the bottom. All I needed was this trade to work 1 out of 3 or 4 times, man, because look at the move it gave us. It gave us like a good $1,500 move, right? Even if you don't catch the entirety of it and you catch only $1,000, hey, that's good enough. After that, you can take a couple of losses too, and it won't matter. But look at that, it's worked every goddamn time. Holy crap! I'm loving Bitcoin. I'm loving Bitcoin right now. And guys, I'm a trend trader. I'm not even a range trader. Like range traders who are, they'll be loving this. This is the kind of market that they love. But hey, I do want to talk about the low time frames, because there's been some interesting things going on over there. If you guys are in the Mango Telegram group, you guys know that I have been let me go ahead and clear out the Ichimoku. You guys know that I have been looking at this wedge. I did post it earlier this morning, like I think around 6 hours ago now, just as soon as the brand new day opened, and I've been actually trading this. As you guys know, I did buy this over here, and I actually got the tip on this candle. Believe it or not, I got the tip on this candle. Why did I get the tip on this candle? I will actually, no, I'll just talk about it right now, because I don't have the attention span to actually remember to come back to it. What I do to actually catch 10,025. I wasn't trying to catch a tip, okay? I wasn't trying to catch a tip. I caught the tip on this one, I caught the tip on this one. Both times was complete fluke. I do want to emphasize that. It's because I'm never trying to catch the tip, but I don't want to say I'm never trying. I do try to get as close to the point of where price will stop, but I'm not looking for it. It's not a priority. So what do I do this time? Actually, in this time, this area over here, I simply made it very stress-free. I was looking at the 4-day. You guys know I'm looking at the 4-day. You pull on a 4-day 21 EMA, right? And simply, I put my bid on the 21 EMA, man. The 21 EMA on the 4-day was coming in at around the last 4-day candle was 10,013. This 4-day candle is coming in at around 10,025ish, right? That's all I did, man. That's all I did, and boom, you get the tip, right? I am trading on Deribit, by the way, guys. It is a little bit more reliable than other exchanges. Doesn't extend far too down. Doesn't get front run as much either. So, but front runs are fine. It's not like I am against people front running, but hey, I do recommend Deribit. You guys will find my video on Deribit, on how to leverage using Deribit. It is a lot more professionally done on Deribit, in my opinion, safer, and gives you more control. So do check out that video, and you guys will be grateful, not grateful, you guys will thank yourselves for, you can't be grateful to yourself, right? I guess you can, but you guys will be grateful and thank yourselves for learning how to trade using the way Deribit does it, right? Using cross margin, man. Okay, so that's how I did on the 12 hour. Let's go back on over to the 1 hour, and then again, right, we had this wedge over here, and over here I was actually trying, I was trying to do, I was trying to front run the 12 hour 200 MA myself. And what do you know, I think the 12 hour 200 MA got front run just a bit, and I got that tip too. So I'm just getting I'm getting very, very lucky over here, and then I de-risked over here. I took profits. Now again, I'm building my position. If it does come down over here, I will be looking to actually may take a shot over here too. Oh, I do want to mention why I took my position out over here. You guys know I don't play patterns as my primary tool. The mango wine indicator actually was the big reason. As you guys know, I'm not freaking going against this anymore. It popped up right over there telling us, okay, hey, you know what, this move is likely done. As you guys who have access to the wine and the accompanying videos, you guys know that this is a pretty good call over here. And man, it does seem like it is playing out, but like I said, I would not this would have been a good shot to take, to be honest. But you don't have to use the wine only as a way to take short trades, right? You can also use it to take your profits, vice versa for the bull case too. To be honest, I may actually take a shot over here and look for a move all the way down here. If it comes down here again, I will buy again. I'll keep doing that until it may all come down all the way towards the 89 EMA, which is coming in at around 9,877. I'm referring to the 89 EMA on the daily. Okay guys, actually I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you guys. Here we have Bitcoin USD on the daily, and as you can see, the teal EMA over here lining up perfectly with its horizontal, sitting at around 9,880ish, is the 89 EMA that I'll be looking for Bitcoin to either close a 12-hour candle underneath for me to be de-risking my position, or I'll be, if we bounce there, I'll be adding to my position again and just building that again. That is a so far it is a risky position. It's not something that I want to get too excited about. I'll be willing to take that off very, very quickly. In fact, as soon as we take anywhere underneath, I won't even be waiting for 9,400 anymore. If we take anywhere underneath 9,700ish, I'll be out of that trade. Okay, I'll be out of the trade. For me to get excited as a bear, I'll be looking for that. Okay, I'll be looking for the bears to be doing that. For me to get excited as a bull, I want to see a very, very convincing move about the 10,750-ish region, which is where the 10K on the daily is coming in at. Okay, here's the thing, guys. There's no reason to be getting too excited as a bear or as a bull just yet. Okay, neither have done enough for me to be on any of their sides. Neither have done enough. So let's go ahead and actually let's look at the BitMEX chart. I do think it's a clean chart. I'm going to go ahead and hide all of this, and I want to let's switch on over to 4 hour and just show you guys what's going on over here, so you guys get some perspective. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's look at this range over here, just simply this range, and what's going on over here. Okay, we can go ahead and mark some horizontals. We have a high over here, and we have a low at this point over here. Okay, so this is the range that we can look at, and then after that we can look at our next lower high. Okay, then we have a higher low and this point over here, then we have another higher low at this point over here, and then we have a lower high at this region over here, and then we have a higher low at this region over here, and then we have now we're squeezing, right? We're kind of squeezing. You can see one over there, and okay, so you're seeing that's what's going on. Okay, you see how we're squeezing, right? And I did that so quickly too. You guys can do the same thing and just kind of figure out what you need to do. As soon as we get a conclusive break through all of these horizontals, okay, towards the downside, you know, okay, the bears are freaking in control. Let's get on their side. Yes, sir. Let's short the hell out of this. Okay, that's all you do, man. The man go away the stress-free way. Let them do the work, and then we'll take the profits. Until then, if we break past this zone, 10,427, okay, it's time to get excited. But then look at that, guys. There's still so much work for the bulls to do, right? A lot of traders will only be getting excited once we take out 10,900. I'm telling you that. Okay, I'm willing to get in around 10,700, but that's because of my technical analysis. But this is how a lot of traders are going to be looking at it. This is the very simple way of doing it. And in fact, if we do break past 10,420 and close a couple of 4 hour candles over here, Wouldn't be surprised if you make a quick move to around this region over here, which is coming in at around 10,700. Okay, so there you go, 10,700, and after that, breaking this, we're likely going to make a quick move to 10,924. After that, we break that, we're likely going to make a move all the way to around this zone. After that, probably be looking at, let me zoom out a little bit actually. Yeah, this is going to be a key zone. Once we break this 11,200, then we're looking at clear skies pretty much, right? I think the bulls will have definitely certified their control of this consolidation zone until we get to a 12,000 mark. Once you get to a 12,000 mark, can the bear step in and then apply or show us that hey, they still have some ammo in the gun? Okay, so that's what's going on over here on the 4 hour, on the one. Let's go back on to 1 hour, right, and switch back on over to a Coinbase chart. Is that what we are looking at? I think Coinbase, right? Yeah, Coinbase. So Bitcoin is taking that move towards the downside. Yeah, I'm not. If we do get a retest over here, I may take that short position. But I actually have a few things to do this afternoon, so I don't want to be sitting here and managing that trade. I'm happy. I'm really already happy with this entire range. Bitcoin has been so goddamn generous. Do not want to get. I don't want to be overtrading either. I don't want to be overtrading, but so far so good. And there's not much else to talk about, guys. We talked about the 4-day. We can go ahead and talk about the weekly, I guess. Pull out the weekly, and hey, not looking too good, right? This is looking like a rejection. However, the week is not done. A lot can happen. We can pull out our Ichimoku and see what's going on over there. 10 SMA rejecting the Tenkin all the way down here. Let's go ahead and look at the actual cloud, and as you can see, we can hide all our horizontals. We are underneath the cloud right now. Can we retake the cloud? Okay, can we retake the cloud? That'd be really good to see. And there is not much work to be done, to be honest. Only 10,300, right? We can do that. The bulls can do that. I don't say we. Okay, we are not on the bull side. We are not on the bear side. Can the bulls do it? If the bulls can do it, that'll be pretty good. Okay, now that's I want to end this video here, guys, because it's pretty straightforward. We can switch on back over to our 4 hour to do a quick recap. Actually, what's going on over here on the cloud? Not much. We do have a possible move to around 10,245. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. Does that line up with the 1 hour? Let's go ahead and see that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, there you go. We are bouncing off the Tenkin right now. We have the 200 MA coming in at 10,245. What do you know? And the Kumo twist as well. A move to this region over here would not surprise me. Actually, would not surprise me. So I wouldn't be keen to be putting on a short in this region. We may be ready to break out of this falling wedge. To be honest, we've taken the 21 EMA. Come back, retested the Tenkin as well. Got both the retests. That's good. Can we close above that? That is the next question. We may be actually seeing some resolution on this big formation that has been driving people nuts and getting a lot of people impatient, right? So far, guys, the bears haven't done enough. The bulls haven't done enough. But the bears are the ones I really want to focus on, because people are getting a little too bearish far too soon, in my opinion. We've been making higher lows, guys. So just keep that in mind. So anyways, my name is Sean Dex. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Throw it a like, throw it a subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.